I have watched way too many YouTube videos trying to figure out how to use Nano Banana Pro for free. Not because I am doing research, but because I wanted to steal two ideas and make my own video. But guess what? That plan failed. Almost every method out there either gives you 5 free credits, 10 free credits, or a limited free trial. And honestly, I didn't like that. If I'm going to use AI, I don't want to feel like I'm being chased by a countdown timer. But as of the time this video is uploaded, I have found something. A real way to use Nano Banana Pro for free. And no, it doesn't spam you with your trial ends in 24 hours. It doesn't scare you with flashy banners. It doesn't even ask you to create an account. So if you don't want to babysit your credits like a newborn baby, here's what you do. Open your web browser and type LM Arena. Then open the first link. This website will appear. You have to go to this battle drop down at the top left, click on it and select direct chat. After that, you have to go to these three options and select image. By selecting the image, it will automatically select Gemini 3 Pro Image Preview Nano Banana Pro for you. Now you just have to enter the prompt and you can use Nano Banana Pro for free. Enter your prompt and hit enter. It will ask you to agree. Just agree with it and it will start generating your image. Okay, as you can see, my image is ready and I even don't have an account on this website. And if you go and explore this website, there is no sign of any credit or a free trial. You can use it for free. Now the official purpose of LM Arena is to compare different AI models. But let's be honest, we are all here to borrow Nano Banana Pro without paying. And guess what? It works. I am not heavy Nano Banana Pro user. I'm not generating 10,000 images of anime cats riding motorcycles. But for my normal use case, this tool is an absolute gem. And unless you are planning to build next Pixar movie using Nano Banana, I don't think you will face any issue generating bunch of images. So yeah, that's free, easy, no account needed and no limits. Now show some creativity with the prompts and generate a bunch of images. And if you find this tool helpful, do like the video.